Welcome, fam. Your body feels tight, your posture is slumped, and you haven't even left the bedroom yet. Sometimes the tension you wake up with isn't just physical, it's emotional weight you didn't put down yesterday. But this morning, we'll reset that. Let's hit the mat. Start standing tall. Inhale, and as you exhale, fold forward slowly, like your whole spine is melting downward. Let your knees bend if you need to. Let your arms dangle, let gravity do the heavy lifting. Here's why this matters. Most of us spend our day compressing, sitting, scrolling, shrinking. This simple fold, I promise, it releases your hamstrings, decompresses your lower spine, and lets your nervous system know it's safe to soften. Beginners, rest your hands on your shins. Advanced switches, grab behind the calves and pull yourself deeper. Do you feel that tension unraveling behind your legs? Hold this for 5 more seconds and breathe into the tightest spot. That just unzipped your spine. Now let's activate full body rotation. Step your left leg back into a lunge, right hand stays down. Right elbow drops toward the mat, then twist open to the sky. This one stretch is called the world's greatest for a reason. I promise, it opens your hips, activates your core, and unlocks your thoracic spine, and sets the tone for a posture that holds you up instead of weighing you down. Beginners, keep the back knee down. Advanced stretches, lift the back leg and deepen the rotation. Here's a little challenge. Sink into the hip just 10% more. Feel that yet? That's your morning opening up. Now, let's unlock the other side. Right leg steps back, left elbow lowers, then we twist and reach high. Notice the symmetry? This side might feel tighter, and that's okay. This isn't about perfection, it's about presence. I promise you're not just stretching, you're recalibrating the way your body breathes, moves, and holds itself through the day. Let's hold this for 5 more seconds, right here. That just restored balance. Now we build strength through length. Drop into a kneeling lunge. Right leg to the side. Left arm anchors to the ground and right arm reaches overhead, long and controlled. Now breathe into the entire right side of your body. Swing your arm gently. The stretch isn't flashy, but it's essential. I promise, it releases the lateral chain, your side body, ribs, obliques, where tension hides when you sleep curled up or sit for hours. Beginners, stay supported with hand on thigh. Advanced switches, reach further and add a gentle twist from the ribs. Pause here. Now press into the ground and lift your chest 2 inches higher. Feel that shift? Let's finish this reset with your left side. Left leg out to the side. Elbow to knee, reach up and over with control. This is where your body starts feeling balanced. Not just stretched, but strong, elongated, and energized. I promise, this move opens space in your ribs so you can breathe deeper, stand taller, and move through your day with grounded confidence. Can you hold this for 5 more seconds without collapsing into the stretch? Breathe. That's it. You did it. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours, when you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, You don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that help reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. And it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with the full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.